Okay, this is the final thing you're gonna do today, and all it is like a prep, so you know what you're doing tomorrow. It says cut the line. What does cut the line mean? I want to cut this line so that it only contains coordinates for x that are either less than or equal to -1. So when the sign goes that way, that means less. Okay. Now, when you're thinking of a number line, less than covers all the numbers that are to the left. Okay? Left. Less, left. So you see this graph with this line through it. So what you do on the x-axis, that's one going sideways, you go mark off -1. Then you got to find where on the line that is. So all you do is go straight down and mark your point on the line. Okay, there's two halves to this. There's the right side and there's the left side. Right, left. Now, less than means we want the stuff to the left. So I'm going to cut off the point, all these right points, okay? And that's all you're going to do. Okay, now this one, it's greater than, okay? Now on greater than, if you're thinking of a straight number line, greater than is all points to the right, okay? Greater than is right. And by the way, 4, I can't hit 4, so I'm going to make up a new number here. I'm going to call this 1, okay? So I go to 1, and I'm going to go up till I know where my line has a coordinate point of 1, okay? So again, this is the right and this is the left. It's pretty steep, but this is the right, that's the left. Now on greater than, we want all the points that go to the right, okay? I want to eliminate all the points on the other side. So everywhere on this line will have an x coordinate that is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, next part. And you're like, this seems kind of pointless. What'll help us out tomorrow? That's the point for it. Okay, so that's a greater than. Okay. So I go to -3. And then I'm going to mark that point. Okay. So this is right. This, oh yeah, by the way, greater than means right. We want the part that's to the right. Okay. So I want all this part to the right. The part to the left I don't want. Okay. I don't want anything to the left showing up because anything there is not greater than or equal to -3. Okay, now the next one. You have two numbers. Ignore the signs. Okay, ignore the signs. What this means is I want everything on the line that's between those two. Okay. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So -5. And then 2. So I want everything between them. Okay. So get rid of these. Get rid of those. Okay. I just want the segment between them. Okay, next problem. Cut the line. That means greater than. That means we want all points to the right. Okay. So I go to 2, and it's got to be on this line here. So I just go up here, boom, make a dot. That's right. That's left. So I want the points to the right. I do not want the points to the left. Okay. Next up, that's less than. That means we want the points to the left. Okay. Less than means left. So I go mark off 1, 2, 3. Right, left. Okay. So I want all points to the left. I do not want the points to the right. Get rid of those. Okay, next. That's greater than, so I want the points to the right. So I go to -1, and there's my thing. So that's right, that's left. Again, it's greater than, so I want the right. I want to eliminate the left. Cut off the left part of the line. Okay, now here when I get two numbers, don't worry about the signs. You try worrying about the signs, you're going to get all confused. It means I want all the points between those two. So -2. Mark the point there. And then +2. Sorry about the screen coming up blue. You're just going to have to get used to it. Okay, it only does it for like a split second. Okay. Now I want the points between. I do not want these points anything outside the boundary. Okay, that's all I have to say on that.